Here's what you need to know about participating in the stock market.
You cannot learn to trade without losing money. There's absolutely no risk-free way to invest in the stock market, long-term or short-term.
What's up, Legacy Builders? I'm Rob.
I'm Reshawn.
And this is Learn, Hustle, Grow.
We help you build wealth and explore investing so that you can leave a legacy.
She's a stock trader.
He's a realtor.
And we are debt-free investors. Anyone that tells you that you can put money in the stock market without the risk of losing it is lying.
Occasionally we get emails or comments from potential cousins who want to take the Invest with Teri trade and travel course, but they are afraid of losing money.
In this video, we're sharing our insights to help more of the family become successful traders.
Fam, there's absolutely no risk-free way to make money at all. It just boils down to your understanding of risk.
Think about it. If you have a job, there's a risk that you could be fired or you can injure yourself.
If you invest in real estate, there's a chance that a recession could cause your property to lose value.
There's also a risk that tenants can cause thousands of dollars in damage, leaving you in a position where you have to sell at a loss.
If you start a business, there's the risk that it could fail. There's absolutely a statistic out there that says only 1 in 5 businesses make it.
The stock market is volatile. The volatility is what makes it possible to trade for income.
Buy and hold is an excellent strategy if our goal is retirement. If we want to use the stock market in order to make money now, as in today, we all have to get used to the idea of seeing red.
When the stock market is red, think of it as being on sale, y'all.
I know, it's scary. That's why we enrolled in the trade and travel course. Our goal was to mitigate the risk. We knew that Teri Ijeoma knew more about trading in the stock market than we did.
If you're new to our channel, we joined the Invest with Teri VIP trade and travel course in January of 2020.
As new entrepreneurs, we needed another stream of income. We'll include a link to the course in the description below.
We spent 2020 learning the market and practicing the methodology. It took us 9 months to become consistent.
We could not have gotten the methodology down without using our simulator and our retirement accounts.
Because of the pandemic, 2020 was an unusual year. The volatility led to some incredible gains.
Using our retirement accounts allowed us to slow down and not feel rushed when it came to taking profits.
Right.
Not being able to access those funds allowed us to see what was possible.
Using a sim account is a great way to figure out how the individual stocks move. It's called paper money.
If you have to lose money, it's much better to lose fake money.
Yes.
Start by setting the account balance for your sim account to the amount of money that you actually have to trade with.
When it comes to learning the IWT methodology, the course is self-paced. There's no need to rush.
Now, before you join the course, you think you understand the concept of self-paced. However, once you get admittance into the students-only Facebook group, it can become a challenge.
The Facebook group is an awesome resource, but also an incredible source of FOMO, fear of missing out.
Watching other students share their wins is incredibly inspiring.
Right.
You just can't wait to share your own. It's easy to let the excitement take over.
Before we go any further, please make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so you can see when we have new videos coming out.
In time, you learn that there will always be another opportunity. In the beginning, it can be hard to see that. Let's discuss a few more observations.
You have to complete the course content. We've gone through the course multiple times.
Teri continues to update the course content. She does so based on feedback, and we go back and review the videos as needed.
Yeah. So I think Teri recommends completing the course and trading at least 10 times on the simulator.
If you are asking yourself whether or not you are ready to trade live, ask this question. Do I have a trading plan? Do I know where I will enter the trade? Do I know where I will exit the trade?
Learning to read stock charts is an essential part of learning to trade.
In addition to the on-demand lessons, the course includes recorded calls and live calls with Q&A.
Before you go live, do you know how to use the trading platform?
The course includes TradeStation tutorials. Also, TradeStation has their own YouTube channel for more in-depth lessons.
Using the simulator gives you the opportunity to practice various functions of the platform.
Cousins, if you find yourself in a trade and asking how to exit, it's a good sign that you need to return to the simulator. In addition to understanding how to place an order, it's important that we learn the duration of the trade and the types of orders that are available to us.
Don't get mad. We're not calling anybody out, just sharing our insights.
If you understand when to enter and when to exit, how to enter and how to exit, and you've also seen some success trading in the simulator, you are ready to place a live trade. Go for it.
It can be so tempting to skip steps or look for shortcuts.
This is when we need to revisit our why for taking the course. Personally, we took the trade and travel course to learn to trade for consistent income. We also wanted to reduce our risk.
Taking a course is a great way to build skills and to build confidence.
Just like you don't want to go live too soon, you also don't want to be afraid to leave the simulator. There is no limit to the amount of time you can spend paper trading, but you have to take the leap sometime.
In addition to learning the methodology, we also receive a watch list of quality stocks to trade.
Now, most of the stocks on Teri's list trade for $100 or more a share. However, we also receive a criteria for learning how to pick good companies on our own.
The watch list is a good place to start, but there are thousands of quality stocks to trade.
You can apply the course criteria to any company to see if it passes the test.
While trading penny stocks is discouraged, there is absolutely nothing to stop you from doing it.
Beware, trading penny stocks adds another layer of risk to the overall experience. Penny stocks are defined as publicly traded companies that trade at a price of $5 or less per share.
It takes discipline and patience to stick with a plan. We want everybody to win. Don't sabotage yourself.
We've all purchased a stock against market momentum and gotten stuck in a trade.
Yes.
When my money was low and I got stuck in a trade, I actually put live trading on pause, returned to the simulator to practice until I either broke even or made a profit on the position.
Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. We know that's not what you want to hear.
The secret to success is holding on to enough of your money to keep learning. The number one rule of trading is not to trade with money that you can't afford to lose.
We don't have W-2 jobs. We don't want W-2 jobs. For that reason, we are very conservative traders.
Taking shortcuts, trading penny stocks, and failing to learn the trading platform, those are all things that put our money at risk.
Teri and the big dogs we see on YouTube have been winning and losing for years.
As new traders, we cannot compare our journey to theirs. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's.
So you're thinking about taking the course, but you're worried that you don't have enough money to trade with.
There are people taking the course who trade with $500. But if you want to have more money to trade with, here's what you can do in preparation for the course.
Get your money up. Pay off debt. Get yourself an extra check. Work overtime or get a side hustle.
Review your online spending report. Where can you cut expenses? Purge your home. Can you sell items on Facebook Marketplace or Poshmark?
We've been debt-free since 2018. With less bills, there's more money in your pockets.
Guys, there are tons of YouTube videos on the topic of side hustles.
Indeed.
But if you can't find a way to make more money or reduce your expenses, maybe it's time to move in with your parents. Or get a roommate. Splitting those expenses is extra money in the bank.
If you decide to do any or all of these things, document it. Put it on TikTok. Let people follow your journey.
In addition to creating ad revenue, you also have a measure of accountability that just might help you keep going when things get hard.
Where there's a will, there's a way. Don't allow pride to keep you from achieving your goals.
We are not part of the trade and travel staff. We are not licensed advisors. We've chosen to share our journey in an effort to help others who are on the path to earning an income and building wealth.
If you decide to take the course, use our affiliate link.
See you in the next video.